really excited at the launch of the degree apprenticeship in collaboration with the University of South Wales. Excited to be the first organisation in Wales to actually utilise this in rolling stock. It's a bespoke programme. You earn as you learn. You have mentors support you all throughout that programme. You have a mixture of academic and real life experience in terms of how the fleet engineering department and our production departments work. There's going to be no university debt at the end of their degree course, and they're going to get 4 years of rolling stock experience that, even if you could go buy it, you just can't. You cannot buy that experience. They could be introducing new trains, ensure that the design is correct, that our manuals are correct, any design changes go through the right process of governance. They could be looking to modify these trains, so even in a new train there may be some enhancements that we need to do. They may be monitoring the trains for reliability, availability, making sure that they're safe.
This course is studied part-time, studied 1 day a week in university, 4 days in industry, supported by professionals. University of South Wales worked with Welsh Government, Industry Wales and other rail industry partners to ensure that the content of the course was designed specifically and very relevant to the industry today. So the course now includes electrification, distribution and all the other elements that will make future-proof the student for the rail industry. I would encourage everyone to apply for this apprenticeship. As an engineer myself, this career is a very inclusive and a great time to get involved in an industry where you'll be able to make a difference to the future of transport.
There are some practical hands-on elements, but there's a lot of will be kind of office-based technical engineering work. And it's also potentially quite flexible, so it's not going to necessarily mean you're getting dirty all the time or being based in the office all the time. It's really encourage people who might not have thought about doing an engineering kind of apprenticeship or qualification to have a think about applying.